Hi everyone, welcome back to Web of Life. While walking in the nature, we may have noticed some type of mushrooms like growth on dead trees. We all are familiar with mushrooms, but it might be interesting to know that a mushroom is a fungus. And the growth we see on dead trees also a special type of fungus. It is known as bracket fungus or shelf fungus. It is one of the most common mushrooms on the planet. Bracket fungi come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. Scientifically, it is called a polypore. Almost 1000 polypore species have been described in science, but a large part of their diversity is still unknown. Shelf fungi are commonly found growing singly or in groups on trees or fallen logs in damp woodlands. This tree fungus is given particular names because of the way it's arranged in the infected trees. Their specialty is the tough fruiting body that visible outside and produces spores for reproduction. And the fruiting body is in the form of a shelf or a bracket. That is the reason they are known as bracket fungi or shelf fungi. And many openings or pores can be seen on the underside of a bracket fungus. These pores are leading to spores producing tubes. Because of having many pores, they are given the name polypore. Not all polypore are closely related to each other. But one thing in common, they all produce spores in long tube-like structures. Most polypore grows on the tree trunks or branches, consuming the wood, but some of them growing in the soil. Fungi do not photosynthesize like plants, and they must feed on other organisms to survive. The abundance of fungi around us depends on many factors. The most important factor is the production of large number of spores. Then there must also be proper mechanisms by which they can disperse their spores over long distances for reproduction. All these factors will help them to become widespread. There are different types of mechanisms used by the fungi to disperse their spores. They can be distributed as water, insects, or animal dispersal spores, or the airborne spores. The most common mechanism used is the air dispersal. The majority of the known species of bracket fungi disperse the spores by wind, that is, by riding air currents. And the wind dispersed fungi often produce spores which are referred to as dry spores. The spores drop out of the bracket and then carried by the wind to new locations. Sometimes the fungi generate their own mini wind to cover the distances if weather conditions are not suitable. This is known as fungal air jets. By this airborne method, fungi reproduce itself by releasing large amount of wind-blown spores, which sprouts on damaged wood or trees, and the life cycle continues. Polypores have been used as indicator species of healthy natural forests or the old growth forests around the world. They are the dominant decomposers. Like any other fungi species, they are responsible for life on land. They are the very important part of habitats and they play vital roles in balancing the ecosystems in many ways. In this video, you can see the bracket fungi and its spores dispersal in the form of fungal air jets. We will see more topics in the coming vlogs. Thank you all.